Hello students, this is the 8th part of continuity of a function. So today also I am going to explain some problems based on continuity of a function at particular point and particular intervals. So this is the first problem, today's first problem. If find the value of L for which f of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Here f of x have three rules given. At x equal to pi by 2 the value is L, pi by 2 less than pi by 2 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x, greater than pi by 2 root over 2 minus pi by something is given. We want find the value of L so that it is continuous at pi by 2. I will write given that f is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. What is the meaning of that? F of pi by 2 minus should be equal to f of pi by 2 plus should be equal to f of pi by 2. Okay. First of all, I want to find f of pi by 2 minus, that is called LHL. LHL is equal to limiting value of f of pi by 2, sorry, f of x I will write actually, f of x where x is tending to pi by 2 minus, or directly this is same as limiting value of f of x pi by 2 minus h where h tending to 0. Now in any one of the rule, in f of x rule, instead of x I want to write pi by 2 minus h. So the rule the value of x should be less than pi by 2. So less than pi by 2. Now I want to use this rule. So what should I write? A limiting value of, okay, so 1 minus sin of pi by 2 minus h, okay, by 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x, 2 times of pi by 2 minus h. Okay students, h is tending to 0. Actually here you need to write one bracket. Now I want to simplify this. Students listen. Limiting value of, what I can directly 1 minus sin of 180 minus theta cos theta only, directly cos theta I can write, sorry, cos h I can write by, okay students, here so I want to simplify here 1 plus cos, multiply with 2 nana, 2 to get cancel, pi minus 2 into h to h. Okay, pi minus theta, just like pi minus theta is second quadrant cos minus, I will write minus, pi means as it is cos only, cos 2h. So what I will get, I will write here 1 minus cos 2x. Okay students, so next page I will write. So is equal to limiting value of 1 minus cos h by h square. I want to get standard result, that is half only, h square multiplied h square divided, so divided by, okay, 1 minus cos 2h by 4h square I want, into 4h square, here cos, okay, h is tending to 0. So what I can say directly, students, here h square get cancelled. So this is numerator is 1 half by this is another half into 4. So that is equal 1 by 4. What I got? LHL, that is equal to f of pi by 2 minus, that is equal 1 by 4. Okay. So what is the question? If possible, no? If possible, clearly given. No? If just they gave it is continuous at pi by 2, then what is the value of L means? Directly I can say that L equal to 1 by 4 only. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of pi by 4 only, no? But what is given if possible? If possible means you need to find RHL also. If RHL also you got 1 by 4, then we can say that the value of L equal to 1 by 4 another. Okay. That's why here given if possible. If possible not given, just like it is continuous at pi by 2, directly no need to find RHL, directly here only you can say that LHL 1 by 4 means the LHL value should be equal to functional value at pi by 2. Therefore f of pi by 2 also 1 by 4. Then I can say that the value of f of 1 by 2 and pi minus also 1 by 4. So total I can say that L equal to pi by 4. But what is if possible means that we need to find RHL also. Okay, now I want to find RHL. That is f of pi by 2 plus limiting value of f of x is tending to pi by 2 plus, which is same as limiting value of f of pi by 2 plus h is tending to 0. Okay, so I want to write instead of x pi by 2 plus h in the formula of f of x for higher values of pi by 2. Higher values of pi by 2 plus. So this is pi by 2 plus instead of this. Okay. So root over limiting value, numerator root over 2 into x. X means I can write pi by 2 plus h and minus pi. Okay, minus pi, numerator completed. What is denominator? Again I will write here root over 4 plus root over 2x minus pi minus, to printing mistake student, this root should be outside. So here no root, should correct it in your book also, up to root over 4 plus root of 2x minus 5 outside minus 2, like this. Okay, what should I write instead of pi by 2 plus h? I want to write. Okay, so here only I will write. Okay, now simplify. 4 plus root over 2 into pi by 2 plus h minus pi outside 2. So what I will get, students? I will write 4 plus root over, so pi get 2h here, I will get outside minus 2. That only I want to write. Okay, so root over 4 plus root 2h minus 2. The next page I will write. So what will get? Limiting value, numerator so 2 pi, pi get cancelled, 2h, numerator only root 2h, by here what will get, I will write 4 plus 2 root, 4 plus root 2h minus 2, h is tending to 0. First of all, directly substitute h equal 0, you will get 0 by 0 form. What is the meaning of that? You need to rationalize it. Limiting value of, or you can use a L'Hopital. Best way is rationalization only. Root h by root over 4 plus 2 root h minus 2. So what I am doing, root over 4 plus 2 root 2h plus 2 multiplied and root over 4 plus root 2h plus 2 divided. H is tending to 0. Friends, listen Nana. This is same as, so limiting value of root 2h as it is, 4 plus root 2h root over plus 2 as it is. Okay, denominator is a minus b into a plus b. A square means this, minus b square is 4, h is tending to 0. Friends, 4 get cancelled. After the 2h also get cancelled. So what will get directly I want, right? Limiting value of root over 4 plus root 2h plus 2 by 1, h is tending to 0. So what will get, so I will write here. So 4 will get 4 after substituting. So what is the meaning of that? I got RHL, that is f of pi by 2 plus equal to 4. So here I want to write final conclusion, h equal to 1 by 4, RHL equal to 4. So LHL not equal to RHL. Therefore, f is not continuous, f is discontinuous. At x equal to pi by 4, pi by 2. So we can't find L, means L does not exist. Okay, our next problem, find the values of a and b such that the function something is given is continuous at pi by 4 and pi by 2. At pi by 4 and pi by 2 the function is continuous such a way that you want to find a and b values, students. Okay. Yeah, first of all, given f is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, pi by 4. Okay, I will complete pi by 4 first. What is the meaning of that? F of pi by 4 minus should be equal to f of pi by 4 plus should be equal to f of pi by 4. Okay. So here just functions are straight away, not in f of x by g of x form. Directly you want to find f of pi by 4 minus, try to identify the rule satisfied by f of x and instead of that write instead of x write pi by 4, what will get, that is taken as f of pi by 4 minus. So directly I want to write f of pi by 4 minus, pi by 4 minus is equal to, so pi by 4 means this is the rule. In this rule put x equal to pi by 4, what will get, that is pi by 4 minus. So pi by 4 plus a into root 2 into sin pi by 4. So what will get, Nana, here as it is pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, root to get cancelled, a. This is pi by 4 minus. So I want to find f of pi by 4 plus here f of pi by 4 plus and f of pi by 4 both are same because pi by 4 and lesser than or equal to, both I wanted at a step pi by 4 equal to, instead of this rule write instead of x write pi by 4 in this rule. So 2 into pi by 4 into cot pi by 4 plus b. Okay, so 2's are here, pi by 2 you will get, students. Okay, 1 minute. here pi by 2 we will get cot pi power 1 only plus b. So I can say this is result number 1. From result 1, what I can say from 1, pi by 4 plus a should be equal to pi by 2 plus b. So our a is equal to pi by 4 plus b. I can say this is equation number 2. Just send pi by 4, this side pi by 2 minus pi by 4 only, pi by 4 plus b. Now one more relation we want between a and b to find a and b value, that I think that we will get from this. Given that function is continuous at pi by 2, that I will write, given that f is continuous at pi by 2. The meaning of that, f of pi by 2 minus should be equal to f of pi by 2 plus should be equal to f of pi by 2. I can say this is result number 3. So now I directly want f of pi by 2 minus, okay students, f of pi by 2 minus means this one, pi by 2 minus and equal to both. So both I will write here only, and f of pi by 2 also equal, which rule Nana? In this rule, instead of x you write pi by 2, 2x, 2 into pi by 2 into cot pi by 2 plus b. Okay. So 2 to get cancelled, this is equal to pi into cot pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 by sin pi by 2, that is 0 plus b. So directly we will get b, that is f of pi by 2 minus and f of pi by 2. Now I want to find f of pi by 2 plus. Students, f of pi by 2 plus, pi by 2 plus in this rule, a cos 2x minus b sin x, a cos 2x, a cos 2x, x means pi by 2, what next, minus b sin x, minus b into sin pi by 2. Students, a into cos pi minus b sin pi by 2. So this is cos pi minus 1 minus a minus b. So from 3 what I can say, minus a minus b should be equal to b, or next page I will write, what is that Nana, 2b equal to minus a, 2b equal to minus a. What I can say, this is result number 4. Yeah, now observe students. So what you got result number 2, a equal to pi by 4 plus b. I will write a equal to pi by 4 plus b, a equal to pi by 4 plus b. Now we got one more result, that is 2b equal to minus a. Using these two results we need to find the values of a and b. So this is second result and this is fourth result. Directly I want to write students from 2 and 4. So instead of this a I can write minus 2b equal to pi by 4 plus b, that is minus 3b equal to pi by 4, or b equal to minus pi by 12. I got b value now. So from fourth equation directly I will find a value, a equal to minus 2b actually, 2b means minus pi by 12, that is equal to pi by 6, a equal to pi by 6. Therefore a equal to pi by 6 and b equal to minus pi by 12. For these values, so given function is continuous at pi by 2 and as well as pi by 4. Okay students, our next problem, third problem. f of x equal to 1 plus ax for 1 by x for x less than 0, f of x equal b for x equal to 0, f of x equal x plus c whole for 1 by 3 minus 1 by x for x greater than 0, then find values of a, b, c if f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. So, given f is continuous at x equal to 0. What is the meaning of that? F of 0 minus should be equal to f of 0 plus equal to f of 0. So, one by one I want functions. F of 0 means LHL. So, directly can't substitute here 0 in this rule and directly can't find limit like previous problem. Previous problem what I did, directly substituted now pi by 4 here. While substituting that pi by 4 we are getting a finite value, but here you can't find like that. If x is 0 substituted, 1 plus 0 for 1 power 0. So, 1 power infinity form directly you can't find nana. That's why LHL directly I want to find LHL limiting value f of x is tending to 0 minus, which is same as limiting value of f of 0 minus h is tending to 0. So, that is, so instead of h I want to write 0 minus h in this formula. So, what I will get, I will write 1 limiting value 1 plus a into 0 minus h only, okay, power 1 by minus h, okay, h is tending to 0. Okay, friends. So, what is this? Actually, this is the form of 1 for infinity form, 1 for infinity form, 1 for infinity form. So, you know how to find directly its limit, that is e power limiting value of g of x means minus 1 by h into f of x minus 1, 1 minus h minus 1, where h is tending to 0. So, that is e power limiting value, 1 minute now, something happened, okay, limiting value, what of here 1 get cancelled, minus ch minus plus hh of get cancelled, a you will get a, h is tending to 0, that is directly what I can say e power a. So, LHL what I got e power a, okay. Observe here h get cancelled, okay, e power a. Now, I want to find RHL, that is equal to, limiting value of f of x is tending to 0 plus, which is same as limiting value f of 0 plus h is tending to 0, which is same as, where is the rule for 0 plus h, this is the rule for 0 plus h. So, instead of x you want to write h, so h plus c whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 by h is tending to 0. Yeah, first of all substitute directly nana. So, put h equal 0, what do you get, c power 1 by 3 minus 1 or h I want to say minus 1 h. So, using L'Hopital or using factorization method, any method you can find the limiting value of this, okay. So, I want to use L'Hopital nana actually. So, what I can say, directly can say c equal to 1 only here, okay. Yeah, what should I write? So, this is limiting value of 1 by 3 into h plus c whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 0 by 1, h is tending to 0. Here you need to find limiting value. Now by using any method you can find limiting value. I used LH rule. Directly you can use factoration also, that is not big problem. So what happened? 1 by 3 into c power minus 2 by 3. So this is the RHL. So c power minus 2 by 3. So this is RHL. Okay. So this is one thing, important thing. One more thing I will write here directly. So here important thing, I will write important step. If h is tending to 0, denominator is equal to 0 or tending to 0, that is better one. Okay. So for h is tending to 0, numerator must tending to 0. Must tending to 0. What is that? What is the meaning of that? Put h equals 0 in that. 0 plus c power 1 by 3 minus 1 must and should tending to 0 or equal to 0. C power 1 by 3 minus 1 equal to 0, or directly I can say c equal to 1. So we got c value now. So from this what I can say RHL now? RHL now nothing but 1 by 3 into c means 1 power minus 2 with 1 only. Directly now I can say RHL equal to 1 by 3. So this is important step for the problem. This is important step for the problem. Okay. Next thing, what should find? Yeah, next f of 0 should find. F of 0 I will write next page. F of 0 that equal to b. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0 only. LHL means e power something I got. I will write what is that. E power a equal RHL what I got 1 by 3. This is what I got f of 0 b. Okay. So finally what is the b value? Nana? B equal to 1 by 3. Now I want a. E power a equal to 1 by 3. So a equal to directly what I can write? Logarithm of 1 by 3 to the base c. Or in other words I can say a equal to minus log 3 base c. So finally what I got I will write. Therefore a equal to minus log 3 base c 2 by 3, c equal to 1. This is interesting problem. So here this area is interesting, students. Directly I found RHL, that is 1 by 3 c power minus 2 by using LH rule. But directly you can find c value by using this concept. H is tending to 0, denominator tending to 0. So limit exists means what is the meaning of that? If denominator tending to 0, numerator also tending to 0, 0 by 0 form, then only you can find limit. That's why h is tending to 0, denominator is tending to 0 means for those h value, numerator also tending to 0 or equal to 0. So what I can say, h is tending to 0, numerator must tending to 0, that is 0 plus c power 1 by 3 must tending to 0 or equal to 0, and from there I got c equal to 1. I substitute c equal to 1, I got RHL equal to 1 by 3, from that I completed the problem. Okay. So finally these are the required values.